Well, the best part about owning my own business has really been, the short-term ones were the customer wins that we had each day. The bigger and more the long-term one is the teammates and the family members. You just never thought that I could have this many people working like a family.
Not many jobs do you get to go into somebody's home and they are just so grateful and so thankful when you're done and it's fixed.
We're sort of superheroes in a way because we're providing a service that is actually potentially going to keep somebody from dying.
And I joke around with my buddies. I said, man, I really need to get a cape because I'm like a superhero. I go in these houses and I fix the AC. I need to wear a cape.
Owning my own business, it started giving my family and I more of a freedom.
I don't have to worry if the mortgage is going to get paid this month, if my kids are going to have a place to live, if I'm going to be able to put food on the table, all that stuff. I'm also responsible for 3 other families. I have 3 employees, and that's another very satisfying feeling, knowing that what I started is providing for them and their families as well.
The advice that I would give to somebody getting into this industry that's wanting to start their own business and be successful in it is to not give up.
At the end of the day, if your ultimate goal is to create happy customers and happy employees, you've got a pretty good shot at running a company and being successful.
And the opportunities are limitless. We need more people that can see that opportunity in this industry because there is such a need.
I do feel very accomplished, especially being on the younger side. That was always my goal.
Without HVAC work, I don't know what I'd be doing, I don't know where I'd be, and I don't think I'd probably have half the success I do now.
It's just been a dream since I've been a kid to have a shop, be able to give back,
That feels really good that I'm out here building a business and it's a business that people like to do business with. Overall, it's been a great experience and just being able to live the American dream.